Hi guys, and good morning and welcome to our kitchen. Welcome to Bib's Life in the USA. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. Today is Thanksgiving, November 28, 2024. I'm cooking our breakfast guys. My husband's breakfast is egg with bacon. Two slices of bacon. Two slices of bacon. To slice this. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. I know some people is busy to the cooking guys. Mostly if you have a visitor. But if you have no visitor or no problem. You cook only food enough for us. I'm cooking the bacon guys for the egg omelette. Preparing our lunch guys for today. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. Let's eat guys. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. Oh, lot of food eh. Potato, ham, beans, broccoli, and look at that pie. Let's eat guys. Let's eat guys and happy Thanksgiving everyone. This is our Thanksgiving food guys. Western food. Even one piece of ham is that's a big, no? Big for us. Only one ham. That's it guys. Then later have pie pa.
Wait, guys.
Let's eat pie, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Pumpkin pie, guys. First time eating pumpkin pie. Because we always buying the apple pie and the pecan pie. That's my favorite. My husband favorite also. Apple and lemon. Mine is apple and pecan. So first time buying this pumpkin pie. Let's see. Ito pa lang open. Mali yung inopen ko, guys. Ito pa lang open. Wow. Very good. Pumpkin pie, guys. Ano? It's not very good, guys. This is a normal size. It's not a family size. Because only 2 of us. Let's slice, guys. Let's eat pie, guys. This is all dessert. But I'm not eating this for dinner, for lunch, because I'm so very full. So we eat now. This is the dessert. Very nice, eh. Make me slice so nice. That's enough for you? Oh, too big. I think so. Make sure that slice so nice. Bye bye. Oh wow, we slice me so good. For you. So big. Don't eat if not. And mine. Usually we slice for slice, but too big, guys. I don't eat everything this, because the slice is big. You know na, my husband and I not eat too much. Eat only little bit, because not carry to our stomach eat too much. Try later. Pumpkin pie. Eh, this is squash, eh. So I'm sure I like, because I like squash. It's fine. It's fine, guys, but I like the pecan number 1. Pecan apple. This is third only. My choice. Third choice. Number 1 pecan. Number 2 apple. Number 3. Let's eat that. I'm happy Black Friday today. Chill today, guys. Yesterday is not chill. Parang sarap lagi mag-coffee. Shout out to our viewer and subscriber. And shout out to our super chatter, Winston J. Cooking and Discovery TV and Ernest Kumopich. good. Very quick na yun. Because little only. Lot of ano ba yun? Dry flower. This is ano ba yun? Marigold. We need to replant this next year. And some of this we need to send to the Philippines. I think trust pick up. Yeah. Ulit na nag-pick up guy ang trust ngayon guy. Black Friday nag-pick up ng trust. Friday ngayon guy. Thursday ang pick up eh. But today nag-pick up siya. Alisin ko to guy kasi wala naman itong ano. Kunin ko lang yung seeds nito, yung mga seeds. Yan. Usually, ang daming seed nito, guys. Makatanim ka na ng isang ganito, sobrang dami ng matanim. Hindi tulad sa sinya, guys. Mahirapan ka maghanap ng seed sa sinya. Parang walang seed. Ito, look at this. Lahat yan, guys, is seed yan. Yung mga ganitong maliliit. Maliliit lang talaga ang seed nito. Ganyan lang kaliit eh. Very tiny. Tapos itusok mo lang siyang ganun. Mabubuhay na siya. This is just very small seed. So, look at that. So, very tiny. Seed na ito lahat, guys. This is a seed. It's a lot. So we do this like this. Alisin ko. Ganyan lang siguro na hindi ko siya buklatin. Ganyan lang na. This is seeds guys. Buklatin ko ganyan. Try ito buklat. Yan. That's a lot of seed guys. Yung isang ganito guys. Ang dami ng seed. Lot of seed. Grabe guys. Ang daming seed guys. Yung isang ano lang yan guys ha. I'll show you guys. Look at that. Lot of seeds guys. Only one this. Ganyan kadami ang seed niya guys. Tsaka maliit lang yung seed eh. Like that oh. Ganyan. Let's see breakfast guys. As brown. Mango. Strawberry. Wait this. It's it guys. So very chilly this morning guys. I think the heater running whole night So you mean the weather is so very chilly. That's it guys. Mangga. Makasih bro. Hi guys, early morning. Our grocery is arrived guys, 8 o'clock. We do shopping last night and they placed my order at 8 to 10 and deliver 8 o'clock. Last shopping month of November. 7 up. My chocolate, hot chocolate. And the sugar and toaster strata. Pizza, pasta sauce, spaghetti sauce, meatloaf, and the water right there, ravioli, and mashed potatoes, and yako, cheese, broccoli, and mixed vegetable, of course ground beef, and clementine, banana. The other one is lemon and garlic, and that's it guys. Imagine mo, that's it guys. Few item only. And how much this bin guys? 77.79. 44.66. And that's it guys.